Hello and welcome you all in the foundation course of Linux terminal commands. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 commands which are users, who am I, hostname, uname, and man command. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, the users command. This command will give you the name of all the users which are currently logged in. For example, here you can see, because currently I am using single machine and I am the single user currently logged in this system, it is giving me just one command. But suppose you are sitting in the computer lab of your school and a lot of students are logged in their systems which is being controlled by a centralized CPU and a centralized operating system. Then using this command you can see all those usernames which are currently logged in their system. But out of all those operating system, if you want to know, out of all those users, if you want to know what is your user and what is the username of the machine that you are currently sitting on, then you can see using the command who am I, and here obviously I am. But if you're sitting in the computer lab, then you can use this command for that. The next thing is all the users which are available on an operating system, that operating system is known as the host, and while installing a particular operating system, you can give the name to that host. And if you want to know about that host name, then the command is simple, host name. Here is the focal fossa, that name I set during the installation of this operating system. Alright, now suppose if I want to know about the details of this operating system and the machine which I am currently on, then you can use a beautiful command that is known as uname. And after this command, I'm applying a flag. This is known as flag -a. -a is known as a flag. Whatever flag we are applying after a command actually changes the behavior of that command. How it happens, I will further explain in the later videos, but currently just understand that this -a is a flag which will modify the working of this uname command. -a actually stands for all. So I'm saying that uname, please give me all the information that you have about this operating system and machine. And here you can see this is known as a kernel name, and this is the node name, and here you have kernel release, and at last you have operating system, and these are the machine and processor information. But suppose if you don't know about what uname does or hostname does, and if you know about the command name, but if you don't know about what it does and how it does, then you can use the last command of this video, that is known as man. Man stands for manual. And if you want to see the manual of uname command, then you can type man uname. This will give you the manual of uname command. Here you can see it. This will be complete description of the uname command, and that's all the thing you would be needing while using the uname command. If suppose you are applying the -s flag, then it will print only the kernel name. We applied -a, so it printed all the information, right? And that's how things go. Now suppose if you want to come out of this manual, then you just need to type Q of your keyboard, Q for Q, and here you are come out of this video, manual page. All right, that's all for this video. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.